Looking to become a Prime seller on Amazon? Seller Fulfilled Prime is here to help you cater to Prime customers and reach more people. How does it all work? With Prime orders, you do not ship from your own account. Instead, you purchase a shipping label from Amazon. That's where Sellercloud comes in. You can seamlessly purchase the shipping label through Sellercloud. Tracking information will be generated on Amazon upon creating the label. With Sellercloud, you have the power to choose the most cost-effective shipping option for your orders. While Amazon shipping rates apply by default, if you have an account with Stamps.com or UPS, you can link it to your Amazon seller account and benefit from your own negotiated shipping rates. This way, you can ensure that you get the cheapest rates possible, giving you flexibility and control over your shipping costs. You must go to Shipbridge and head to the menu. Click Options, then Carrier, and choose Amazon. Enable the Use Amazon checkboxes. Select your company, and click on Acquire Token from Sellercloud. If you have multiple Amazon accounts using Seller Fulfilled Prime, click Per Company Configuration to enter your credentials. Input your seller ID and click Test Credentials. Choose a printer, and select a default delivery experience. Click Save. Now, go into the menu, click Customize Interface, then Filters. Check Amazon Prime and uncheck Wait Verified. Select your Prime order in Shipbridge. Right-click and choose Calculate Rates. Select a service from the list of Amazon services. If applicable, the delivery experience can be modified by editing the order details. Right-click on the order, select Edit and go to Order Details. Change settings if needed. Once you're done, click Ship and print labels. This will buy postage from Amazon and return a valid shipping label.